I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Key 1 and Key 2. First, clearly define the purpose of your connection. Knowing why you're linking these two components will guide your entire process. Next, gather all the tools and materials you'll need. This might include cables, adapters, or even specific software. Finally, always verify that component A and component B are fully compatible before you start. Now, let's make the connection. Begin by carefully aligning the specific connection points on component A with those on component B. Take your time to ensure they fit together perfectly. Once aligned, secure the connection. This could involve snapping them into place, tightening screws, or plugging in a cable. Always make sure the connection feels firm and is properly seated to avoid any issues later on. After connecting, it's crucial to test everything. Perform a functional test to ensure component A and component B are communicating as expected. If something isn't working, start troubleshooting. Common issues include a loose connection, incorrect settings, or perhaps a compatibility mismatch you missed. Don't hesitate to consult the product's documentation or online resources if you encounter persistent problems. To ensure longevity, regular maintenance is key. Periodically inspect your connections for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Keeping the connection points clean can prevent many common issues and ensure optimal performance over time. A little care goes a long way in maintaining a reliable link between your components. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for those fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.